Google Photos makes it easy for your students to make a short movie, animated GIFs, and photo collages. In ELA, students can make storytelling short movies to enhance their storytelling and narrative skills. Encourage students to write and develop short stories or scripts. They can work in groups to bring their stories to life by creating short movies. This activity involves storyboarding, script writing, acting, and video editing. It reinforces ELA skills like plot development, character creation, and dialogue while promoting creativity and teamwork. In math, students can make animated GIFs, math puzzles, to reinforce mathematical concepts. Provide students with math problems or puzzles. In small groups, have them create animated GIFs to visually demonstrate the steps to solve the problems. For example, they can illustrate addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division processes with animated visuals. This hands-on activity reinforces math skills and encourages creativity. In social science, students can explore cultures with photo collages to understand and appreciate diverse cultures. Select a specific culture or country to explore. Students will curate photos representing various aspects of that culture, such as food, clothing, landmarks, and traditions. They will create photo collages that capture the essence of that culture. This activity fosters cultural awareness, research skills, and visual communication. In science, students can create scientific exploration short movies to investigate and communicate scientific concepts. After conducting science experiments or research, students can create short movies to explain and showcase their findings. This might include demonstrating the scientific method, documenting experiments, or illustrating key scientific concepts through visuals and narration. This activity reinforces scientific communication and digital skills. In world language, students can create animated vocabulary GIFs to reinforce vocabulary and language learning. Assign students a set of vocabulary words or phrases in the target language. They will create animated GIFs that illustrate the meaning and pronunciation of each word. This activity reinforces language comprehension, pronunciation, and retention while promoting creativity. In PE, students can create animated exercise routines to promote physical activity and fitness awareness. Assign students different exercise routines. Have them create animated GIFs that demonstrate the correct form and sequence of exercises such as jumping jacks, lunges, or yoga poses. This combines physical education with digital skills, encouraging physical activity while enhancing presentation and communication abilities. In art, students can create an art history collage to explore art history and styles. Students can choose a specific art movement or artist to study. Students will find images of famous artworks and artist portraits, then create photo collages that showcase the key features, styles, and significant pieces of the chosen art movement or artist. This activity introduces students to art history and visual analysis. In music, students can create musical performance short movies to present musical performances and creativity. Students can record musical performances while it's playing an instrument, singing, or dancing. They can create short movies that capture these performances with the option to edit and enhance them with visual effects and commentary. This activity allows students to showcase their musical talents and creativity.